Good morning, Deerwood. It is Friday, March 12th. Today is career day at Deerwood. I ended up dressing up today something I want to be. I would like to be a chicken tender and take care of my chicken. I hope your week has been wonderful. Our week at Deerwood has been so much fun. When you come in, I have all kinds of sweet notes and messages that have been given to me from lots of kids over the years. Some of those kids are fifth graders this year, and some of the students were in my class when they were in second grade. Can't believe they're fifth graders already. Some of my ones over on the side here are newer ones, newer messages. I've got one from a really sweet girl in Mrs. Schwartz's class. She left me a very, very sweet postcard. I love getting those messages. But on Sunday, we're going to be celebrating Pie Day. I talked to our math club kids, kids in fourth and fifth grade who attended our math club this year. We spent a little bit of time last week talking about pie and what it is. The word pie is spelled different than how we think of pie. We think of P-I-E as something round that we can eat, or like a pizza pie, one of my favorites, but it's spelled P-I. P-I is actually a Greek letter, and it's represented with this symbol here. When we talk about pie from a math point of view, all that it really means is the distance around the outside of a circle, represented by the blue on that, is really hard to measure because it's not straight. I can't hold up a ruler on something that's round and curved like that. But depending on what you're making, sometimes it's really helpful and really important to know the exact size or the exact distance around the outside of a circle. One thing that we can measure with a straight line is the distance across the middle of the circle. Well, those are two different lengths. And what I showed here is each one of these green lines is one length all the way across the middle of the circle. The distance across the middle of a circle is called the diameter. Some of fourth and fifth graders and some kids in math club, they know that. That is a diameter across the middle. The distance around the outside is called the circumference. Circumference is represented by blue, the blue line here. And you'll see I have 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more of the distances across the middle. That's true for any circle. We measure it. We say that it is 3, that's 3 of these, 0.14, and then it kind of goes on and on and on. It's that much larger around the outside when you compare it to the distance. So we say that it's 3.14 times that distance across the middle. That's how we can figure out how far it is around the outside of a circle. That's our little pie lesson for the day. I love talking about pie. Have you figured out why Sunday is Pie Day? 3.14. Third month, 14th day. Sunday is the 14th. A tradition here at Deerwood that I started when I was teaching second grade is I shared a pie song with all the students at Deerwood. Today I'm going to record it because we have some kids at home that would not be able to hear it. I hope you're ready. Here it is. I'm glad it's Pie Day. Now the time is here to celebrate a special number. My friends, one day a year we revel in its joy and wonder. It makes the circle full. I use it each Monday through Friday. And so on March 14th, I'm glad it's Pi Day. Digits, I know a few, but then again, too few to mention. The magnitude of pi goes way beyond my comprehension. I tried to list it out, ran out of ink along the highway, and so much more than this, I'm glad it's Pi Day. Thank you for hearing me all the way through my song. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the outdoors. Take care.